What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video, another how-to video, another BMW problem. This is a BMW E60, but similar problem does occur on other models of BMW. This is a common problem with BMWs, and it is water related. Again, don't know what's going on with BMW and its manufacturing. On this BMW E60, what happens, the central locking has stopped working on the key fob, and what we've found was kind of interesting, so I thought I'll document it. What's happened is central locking stopped working, so what you tend to do, you end up going and replacing the key, which costs several £100, which doesn't seem to resolve the problem, so you've just wasted the money. What it tends to be is water getting in through the shock fin and blows the central locking module inside, which is also connected to the antenna. It is called the diversity antenna, which tends to blow because of water ingress. Don't know what's going on with BMW and water ingress. That seems to be a common issue. On this one, we have the diamond key, which, as you can see, isn't working. The mistake I made was not doing more research on it. I ended up getting the key made, so I've got two keys now and none of them work. Waste of money. And if you were to get the key made from BMW, it is going to cost you several £100, and they're going to probably want everything possible: the driver's license, ID, the logbook, and so forth and so forth. Yeah, so let's get into this video and tell you exactly what it is, where the diversity antenna is located. Right, so I'm inside the E60. The diversity antenna is located on the rear driver's side, just over there. Okay, what you do need to do is move this plastic cover where it says the airbag. Just get a flat screwdriver and should be able to remove this little plastic cover, and behind that there would be a torque screw. Remove that, and then you should be able to gently pull this off, and behind that you'll have the airbag curtain, the plug where the diversity antenna is connected to, and another torque screw just there, which will need to be disconnected. That's the earth lead. And then, I don't know if I'm going to be able to see it, but if you pull this over, you should be able to see. Okay, so what happens on the windscreen itself, I mean, unfortunately we can't get a clear picture or video there. Okay, there's a plastic housing there, which basically these grooves push into, and what you need to do is just gently pry that off. Okay, and this is what it looks like, and just disconnect the socket here and undo that, and then have a look through the part numbers and just compare that to the one you're getting, and then you should be good to go. We can clean these area where the connectors sit and send the signal. They tend to get dirty. If you can see it properly, the housing where the antenna sits. Okay, just give it a clean, and that should be all right. Right, once you've located the diversity antenna, phone up your local BMW supplier, and they'll send you a package like this in a blue box. Make sure you order the right one. There is different types available. If you don't get the right one, your key will not work, and you'll need to do some software upgrades and stuff like that. It's going to cost you in the excess of 300 odd quid. Give them the VIN number. If you've got the part number, give them the part number and the registration, and hopefully you should be able to get the right part. Okay, that's very important. So we've got the two diversity antenna side by side. As I said, do make sure you double check the part numbers, okay, otherwise you'll be in serious problems. It will not work, so let's go give it a shot. So the moment of truth, once you've cleaned and put the new diversity antenna, it should all just be plug and play. And the moment of truth is yes, and it's working. Beautiful.